Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching. In this video, we're going to be talking about interior mod ideas for the Honda Civic, and specifically, basically any Honda Civic, but this is for mostly like the 10th gen Civics, whether it's the coupe, the sedan, the hatchback. This also can go for any Civic, obviously. It's just interior ideas, different things you can do. By the way, I am parked next to another Civic. You could kind of compare the two 10th gen Civics. This is the hatchback Type R. This is the, I don't know what that is. It looks like, I don't know, it's one of the base coupes. Still, very cool car. I really like the coupes in this gen. But yeah, let's go in the interior, check it out, and see what kind of ideas we could find in this 10th gen Honda Civic Type R. Alright, so one of the first things that you can get for any gen Honda Civic, and by the way, it looks really dirty on the video. In person, it doesn't look that dirty, is obviously the mats. You can change up your mats. This Type R, actually, when I bought it, it didn't come with mats. It was really annoying. So I actually have Honda Factory Performance mats, HFP Honda mats in here. So these are from the factory. They fit perfect because they are from the factory. And I wanted the bright red mats, which look great. And I mean, they fit well. They look great, and the stock Type R mats are more of like a fuzzy material, like the carpet in here. These have like a loop. I don't know, it's like a loop design, so they're really rugged. Not rugged, they're really durable, and I really like them. So these should last a long time. I think they've been in here for just about 3 years. I've owned the car for a little bit over 3 years, and I bought these mats right after getting the Type R. So yeah, Honda Factory Performance mats, or any mats really. Any aftermarket mat you get for the car will just make it a little bit more unique. You'll like your car a little bit more because it will fit you a little bit more, and you can make it stand out as well. You can also get some Mugen aftermarket parts like these scuff protectors right here for my door, or the Mugen scuff protector that protects the paint right here. It pops, it looks great. These are just something that you can do on any Honda Civic, and they'll protect as well. Now on to the main interior. You can see the steering wheel. You can get different pieces for the steering wheel, including some fake carbon or real carbon parts that can go around all of the controls on your steering wheel. Kind of need to clean this. It does not look this dark. It actually looks a little brighter on camera, which is cool. It really does pick up the details. But you can get different carbon pieces to line up on your steering wheel to make it pop, make it look like a race car, even more like a race car. I actually got this. Now, this is a carbon fiber vinyl wrap piece. So this is not real carbon, but it looks great. Now, I could have just wrapped the piece right here, but I didn't want to cut and everything on the steering wheel. So I bought a plastic piece that goes right here and then wrapped that. I think it looks great. This is actually Vivid Tech Art carbon fiber vinyl, so it looks really good in the sun. It pops, and it makes my steering wheel stand out more, and I like the look. So obviously carbon fiber in the interior will make it look good. It will make it look like a race car, and like the NSX, I believe the new NSX has carbon fiber. The GTR has carbon fiber in the interior. So if you want your car to look like a race car and feel like a race car, carbon fiber will always make upgrade the looks and just make it feel a little bit better and a little bit more of a upgraded feel. Now, obviously, the FK8 Civic Type R does come with fake carbon fiber on the dash, and I really do like it. It actually looks good. A lot of people upgrade this to the real carbon fiber, whether it's from the factory or an aftermarket piece. I do like it. I think it looks great. It's on the doors as well, and it does match my carbon in here. So I do have carbon along the sides of my center console right here. I love the look of these. I think it really upgrades the look and makes it feel more premium, and just more like a race car and something special in here. Also have the Type R number plate carbon as well right there. looks so good. I love the center console in my Type R, trying to get the glares to go away. Yeah, the center console in here looks so good. Let me see if the flash on here will actually make it pop more. There you go. Okay, so yeah, you could see that carbon. It shines so well, but it also does somewhat blend in and match with the stock carbon in here. So I really like that. Obviously, it's way deeper and way more glossy, but I mean, carbon fiber in the center console or even the carbon shift knob or whatever will definitely upgrade the looks. And I like this piece around the shift knob as well. Definitely a great look and a good choice for some carbon in the interior. On the dash and the center console, these are great places to add some carbon fiber and just make it stand out even more and make it feel better in here. So this is what I see every time I get into the car. It looks so good. I love it. I love the looks in here. Obviously, it's a Type R interior, so it already feels special, but it just makes it feel like I'm in a GTR or an NSX with all of this carbon in here. So you can't go wrong with upgrading the center console and just making it stand out even more. And you use the center console so much. You're always shifting in here or putting things in the center. And when people get in, this is what they're going to see is the dash and the center console probably. So you definitely want to take advantage. And the stock plastic that's in here was just flat, boring plastic. This really does make a big impact and just changes up the looks of the interior. All right, and another thing you can get, these were actually gifts. And these are really cool gift ideas also. Our little cup holder, cup holder slide little covers. These are awesome. So I really like how you can just, in the Type R, in the 10th Gen Civic, you could take out this whole cup holder and just wash it. Well, you can also take these little slides out and wash those as well. Let me pull one out and show you guys what they look like. Super easy to pull out and wash. And these are just really easy, cheap. Wow, these are dirty. I need to clean these, but these are easy, cheap, and really nice little add-ons that you can put in your cup holders, whether it's in the front or the back. You could do that in the back as well. And they look cool. Obviously, these say R. They're not in the same font as the Type R in the FK8, but that's okay. I'd still like them. They were a gift, so I am keeping them, but really cheap, easy mods that you can do to your interior to make it look cool, as well as make it a little bit easier to clean the interior, because the cup holders do get really grimy and moist and nasty after a while, especially with some really cold drinks in here. So another idea are the cup holder little inserts. Forgot to mention, I have this little fake carbon piece right here as well, which looks cool. I think it was like $4 on Amazon, but I do like the look of it. It does look good because, like the other parts, it was just flat plastic behind it. And then you can also just add on some things on the mirror. Obviously, this is really cool. I like these. I didn't get them for the smell. I just got them for looks because you can't go wrong with the JDM little domo guy. He's so cool. So, and also this is, I believe, the student driver little symbol from Japan, but it's known as the JDM symbol. I really like that. Also, you can get this little, I don't know what you call this, like a little add-on for the mirror. Now, this is actually tinted blue, so you can, it actually helps with dimming the bright lights from the background. So at night, if someone has their brights on or something, this will actually help to dim it out. And this is an add-on that you just clip onto your mirror, which is really cheap, cost-effective, and makes a big difference when you're driving around, because this is way wider than my stock mirror. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's way wider. It adds on like, I don't know, like that much onto each side. Makes a big difference, big impact, and it makes it easier to see the whole background versus just a little area of your back window or the sides or whatever. You can really see a lot with this mirror versus the stock, and I really like that. It's a wide angle, but it also dims the light. And just like in any Honda Civic or any car, you probably want to invest in a camera for your interior and exterior so you know what's going on at all times. This also turns on when it's parked in a parking lot. This will turn on and record people walking in front of my car and in the back, I believe. But it does for sure in the front. So that's really cool. It will actually record people when I'm not around, but also when I'm driving, it records the interior, also records the rear of the car back there so you can see what's going on behind the car, and it records everything that I see up here. So if people are actually pulling out in front of me or whatever, this catches everything. So if you ever have a problem with stopped at a light and someone comes up and does something or whatever, someone throws something or whatever, you have it all on camera. That's the best backup you can have when driving. And I definitely recommend having a camera in every vehicle that you own. They're not that expensive if you go for a decent one that is like a budget one. This was more of a budget one. I think it was like $60 or whatever. And it makes me feel a lot better. It makes a big difference with how I feel when I'm driving as well as when I'm parked. I just feel a little bit safer. I feel like my car's a little bit safer. And I mean, you can't go wrong with a camera. Always monitoring what's going on in your car and outside. Obviously, this is the FK8 Civic Type R. I did not change my shift knob. I don't need to, and I don't want to. Well, I might in the future, but basically, you could change out your shift knob to any shift knob. You could get a Mugen one. You could get an aftermarket carbon fiber one. You could get a Mugen carbon fiber one. My son always tells me, because I wanted the Mugen shift knob, don't change out your shift knob, because with every other Honda I've ever had, I've always got the replica Type R shift knob, which basically looks exactly identical as this one. I really like this one, and my son's always telling me, you have the real Type R shift knob now from Honda. Don't change it out. So I haven't changed it out yet, but that's another thing that will make a big difference, because you're always shifting. If you have a cheap plasticky leather shift knob, having an aluminum shift knob with a little bit of weight will make a big difference when you're shifting and when you're driving. I mean, when you drive, you're using the steering wheel, the shift knob, and the pedals. So this will make a big difference when you're actually driving in the feel of the car. And those are just a few things you can do to your Honda Civic to make your interior stand out, as well as make it a lot better and a lot more fun to drive. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you guys want to see more Honda and more Honda Civic Type R content. And I'll see you guys on the next video.